Dreamers! I'm Rose.
And I'm Amelia.
And we're back from our vacation.
Yeah, so today we're going to be making Play-Doh.
It's a great idea to do while you're on quarantine because
it has all the ingredients that you have at home.
And sorry for the noise. And
because we're outside.
Yeah. So the first thing we'll be needing is 2 cups of flour.
And then you're going to be needing 1 cup of salt.
And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of oil, and we'll just put that right in. So we put in our 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then you gotta mix.
You gotta mix all the ingredients together until they're well incorporated.
So then the last thing we'll need is 2 cups of hot water. So just dump that in.
Ooh, this one. What?
Oh, it's boiling water.
Wash it on me. Okay, and then you mix again until it's well incorporated. So we just put our Play-Doh down on some flour. If it's too wet, add some flour. If it's too wet, add some flour, and if it's too dry, add some oil. And then you just mix it up, and then you can add food coloring, whatever you feel like.
But it's optional. You don't have to have it.
You don't have to.
So we ended up putting a lot more flour into here and a little bit of oil just to make it a little bit of a smoother texture.
Yeah. Sorry about that noise.
Okay, I'm going to be doing blue, and I'm only going to be like a few drops because I don't want it to be too dark to dye my hands.
Yeah, I just want to add some green paint in there. I don't know if paint is going to work as well as food coloring, but hopefully
give it a try.
We'll give it a try.
Okay, so this might dye your hands. You can use gloves if you want to.
We just aren't that professional.
We figured out that mixing in food coloring into this Play-Doh is a lot harder than we expected. And
yeah, I'm going to mix these 2 colors together and make a nice swirl. It's going to be on our Instagram down below in the description box. So don't forget to subscribe,
like,
comment,
and
do the bell thingy.
I hope you guys enjoyed a video of us making Play-Doh, and dream out!